Hi, I am going to be working on today 5 appetizers, dessert, and a drink in 15 minutes. I have actually never even read through these recipes. I read through the ingredients, and this is my first time making all of these except the sangria. I haven't made that and tried it just quick yesterday, so that's the only thing I made before. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the 2 ingredient pumpkin cakes. And so all that is a super moist spice cake and a pumpkin can. Now you want to make sure that it is 100% pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Get that into a bowl. I have already sprayed with this spray here. I use fractionated coconut oil. I already sprayed my brownie pan. You don't want to use the store-bought sprays. Some of our recipes even say, you know, to spray, like this recipe says to spray your pan. You don't want to use pan, but you don't want to use those because they have chemicals in them that actually destroy your cookware. So sometimes if you realize that your cookware is getting ruined, it is probably your pans. So now I am just opening the can with the Pampered Chef can opener here, and it is different. You don't go on the side. It actually removes the lid from your can. All right, so it just simply takes the lid off, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pumpkin in. So what I have here, have you seen this? This is our Flex Plus, and one of the things that it does is it has these mixers. So I'm gonna give this a try. Scoop, scoop. All right. I can already smell how yummy this smells.